day and welcome to lesson number one. Today we are going to install Android Eclipse development environment. First, you have to go to Google, search for Eclipse. Here, you are going to choose number two, which is Eclipse for downloads. Since I'm using Mac operating system, here is my download place. The latest version is Eclipse Luna 4.4. Here I'm going to download macOS for 64 bytes. It's for my system. It gives you different places to download, so I would choose this one, the first one. Here, as you see, it started downloading. After downloading is finished, this is Eclipse Standard, the latest version Luna. I double click to unzip the folder. Here is my projects, my new folder. This is the latest version Luna. I click on Eclipse to launch the software. Open. Here it gives me to the path where I should uh, save my files. I mean my Android applications. I will use this for default. Okay. So here is my development environment. First of all, I have to install the Android SDK to prepare my environment for development. Here I go to help. After that, install new software. I have to add this link. I will find this link under the video. Add. I call it SDK. Okay. Here it's going to search for the development tools. I have to select all of them, then click next. Next. Accept the terms and click finish. It will take moments to finish. Have to restart your Eclipse. Here I restart my Eclipse. As you see, there are two new icons appear on the top of Eclipse. Here, if I click, it gives me Android Virtual Device Emulator, and here before that, here my Android SDK Manager. You have to install the tools that you will need to develop your applications. We will deal with it next lesson, and here you go. You are ready for development. Thank you guys for listening to this lesson, and I hope you share and like and maybe comment on the video. See you in the next lesson.